Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In learning Arabic calligraphy, our today's lesson is ray. Please have a look. First of all, make its head. There are three types of ray. I am making two types in this video. Ray. It should be 4 dots from here. And another one is like this. So be careful while drawing these in the end. It should be sharp and make its head like this. So it should be 6 dots from here. 6 dots. 6 dots and 2 dots from here. I hope it will be very easy for you to learn. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel. Thank you.